Hello, welcome back to this tutorial. The easiest way to sell your USDT is through your Telegram account. So in this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to sell your USDT using your Telegram. So now you click on your Telegram app and you now proceed to this point. You click on wallet. So now once you click on wallet, you allow it to load. As you can see, this is my wallet account and I have up to 2,000 Naira plus there right now. I already made a video of how to buy USDT using Telegram before. This one is how to sell the USDT using same Telegram. So now if you want to sell your USDT right now, you proceed and you click on P2P market. Now there's an indication there that a buyer must upload a receipt as proof of payment. So now since I'll be selling at this point, I'll click on sell. Now the payment methods, I'll go with Kuda Bank. Then the currency is Naira. So now let me look for the highest trader. This is the highest trader right now. And then I'll be selling to him because he already made up to 3,518 trades. So I'll now click on sell. I'll be selling 2,000. So I'll be selling 1.65 USDT. So now I'll now proceed and I'll click on continue. Now they say I haven't added a payment method. So I'll now click on add payment method. Here I'll be using Kuda Bank. I will add my Kuda account detail right now. So this is my Kuda account details. So now click on add. Then I'll proceed and I'll click on continue. Now I'll be selling 1.65 USDT to this guy. I'll click on create order. So now let's wait for him to make payment. So right now, once this buyer make payment, you see confirm payment at this point. You now open your payment proof and then you now release the USDT since you've confirmed that the money is already in your bank account. So this is the way to sell USDT on Telegram. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful to you. Thank you.